Hi everyone, welcome to CodeSpace. In this video, we are going to learn about operators. Operators allow us to perform operations on operands. There are different kinds of operators that help us to perform different kinds of operations. Arithmetic operations done by arithmetic operators. Here, I'll take two variables, int x equal to 10 and int y equal to 5. These are the arithmetic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and here the modulo operator gives the remainder when we do the division, remainder of the division of between these two variables. Let's see the output. And division operator gives only the quotient, whereas modulo operator gives the remainder. So x plus 5, 10 plus 5, 15, 5, 50, 2 and 0. These are the results. And the next one is unary operator. It is similar to arithmetic operators, but here we use only one operand. If the I equal to 10, then we can increase the value. This plus plus sign is post increment operator. Let's see the output. I will comment these lines. Here it gives 11. I plus plus means I equal to I plus 1. It increments the value. Let's see another example for this. Um, Here int j equal to, let's say, 5. Okay, j minus minus, this is post decrement operator. It will decrease the value by 1. The answer will be 4. Okay, similarly there is a pre increment and pre decrement is there. Minus minus j gives same as j minus minus. Next one is relational operators. These are the relational operators: equal to, greater than, less than. It compares the two variables. Let's see code example. Double equal to checks these two variables are equal to or not, and the curly brace 0 is placeholder. In that string, this value will be replaced in output. Here, see the output. Here it's taking time. Okay, here x equal to y is false because x equal to 10 and y is 5, so it's false. Relational operator gives the output true or false. Next one is logical operators. This is logical and or not. It compares two or more conditions and gives true or false whether the condition is true or false respectively. Okay, let's see the code example. Here bool A is true and bool B is false. If A and B, whether both the conditions are true, then only it gives true. If the one is false, then AND operator gives false. Whereas OR operator gives if any one of the variable is true. Bitwise operators is for bit level operations. And then next one is assignment operators. Assign the value on the right to the value on the left. Here's the syntax for a equal to 5 assigns value 5 to a plus equal to 10 can be written also as a equal to a plus 10. Next one is conditional operators. Here it will give expression 1 or 2 whether the condition is true or false. If the condition is true, it gives expression 1, and it's false, gives expression 2. Let's see in the coding. Conditional operators. Okay, here's the example. And here x equal to 10, y equal to 5. If x greater than y, then it gives x, or it gives y. So that's the syntax. Let's see the result. Conditional operator is more like decision making. We will see about that in our next video.